Alright. So, ano yan? Ano na pinababasa mo? Alright. Rapi Rivis, ang picture. Ayaw pang bumitaw, pabigat ka na dyan sa Magnolia. Sa halip na makatulong ka, kuha ng bigman ng mas bata na player. Francis Guntang, madali lang yan, wag lang i-renew ng Magnolia kontrata niya. Rumeply siya. Top fan pa to. Uwi, uwi. Ano yun? Uwi? Uwi? Ano yun?
Umuwi na.
Uwi na sa States, gano'n? Give way to the new rookies. Kainaman naman. Mag-retire ka na, pakiusap. Alvin Villapando. Alam nyo mga ka-amazing, ito, ang capability kasi ng isang katawan, iba-iba sa mga tao. Si Rapi, ang laki pang tulong nito sa Magnolia. Nakita nyo gaano kahaba to? Paano nyo papalitan to? This is legit 6'9". Anong gusto mong ipalit ng mga big man? 6'5", 6'4"? Diba?
Tsaka yung experience niya sa locker room, even if he doesn't get a lot of minutes, yung mentorship niya, yung leadership, yung experience na pwede niyang itulong sa mga bagong players is priceless. Diba? You can't all of a sudden na parang yung maganda nilalaro niya, super fan ka niya. Tapos, nung medyo may edad na siya, bigla niya gusto niya nang tanggalin. Parang sobrang
Unfair, no?
unfair naman kay Rafi yan. Kasi he takes care of his body. He's a professional. Alam mo yan. And then, tanungin niyo sa sarili niyo kung fan talaga kayo pag ganyan kayo mag-isip. Diba?
Top fan daw eh. Nakalagay dito, top fan.
Kasi pag ganyan, you're not doing your team a favor. Ano siya, he's one of your veterans and then you want to get rid of him. Parang
I think
may mali.
basher lang siguro do. I think if totoo ka talaga, sa amin sinabi mo eh, pag totoo kang fan, win or lose, playing good or not good, or bad games ka, or you're not performing anymore, pero nag-perform ka before eh.
Tsaka,
Appreciate natin,
kasi
diba?
isipin mo to alam mo basketball, every year, new players come in the league. You have to earn your spot. So, ibig sabihin, if you, let's say, I don't know Rafi's ages. He's 45. Parang, I don't know. Let's say Rafi's 45 years old. If the new player, yung kaposition niya, can't take his spot, he don't deserve it. You get what I'm saying? You're there to compete. So if the coaches see that in practice that you are not better than Rafi, and you can't take his spot, why would he pick you over Rafi?
Makes sense.
Diba? If ano na siya, if he can't perform anymore. So ibig sabihin, Rafi's still performing. You get what I'm saying?
Saka, tama yung sabi mo, before mag-start yung conference or the whole year, or before ka pa sign ng kontrata, alamin muna ng management if capable ka pa.
Yeah.
So, may mga practices yan, may tryout. So, kayo itong mga nagme-message na to, wala kayo sa tryout. Wala kayo, hindi nyo nakikita yung inside sa loob ng management. Yung decision ng management, ginajudge nyo. So, bakit kayo magme-message ng ganito, hindi nyo naman alam anong nangyayari sa loob. I know, matanda na si Rapi, mas matanda siya sa lahat ng mga players. I think, siya na yung pinakamatanda sa PBA ngayon. Correct me if I'm wrong. Siya yung pinaka-oldest.
Yeah, probably.
Right?
I think
So, but, it doesn't mean na hindi siya capable.
yeah, because you can't teach height.
That's
Diba?
one.
You
That's
can't
one
teach
thing.
height.
Yeah.
Rafi's 6'9" and 7-foot wingspan.
Paano mo
Yeah.
papalitan yun?
Diba?
Diba? Yes, may edad. Pero, tama, hindi mo pwedeng i-base yung edad. Paano? O, sige, sabihin ko sa inyo, may edad ka sa opisina. Mas kukunin mo yung mas bata. Pero alam mo, mas makakapakinabangan mo yung mas matanda sa opisina. Same lang din sa basketball. Diba? Kaya yung mga nagme-message ng ganito, if mababasa ni Rafi to, nakaka-disappoint. Pero, kilala naman namin si Rafi. Hindi naman siya maapektuhan nito. Dahil,
So, anong sabi nila? Yung parang give way to the younger, the younger guys have to compete and take Rafi's spot.
hindi mo pwedeng ibigay.
It's not given. All right? Rafi's earned that. He's been there for 20 years. He's earned that spot. The reason why he lasted 20 years is because he's able to perform for 20 years.
Amazing! Meron kaming gustong sabihin sa inyo!
First and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.
License to ng Pagcor.
20 minimum play can win hanggang 1,400.
100 pesos minimum cash in.
May dalawang klase ang Game Sport.
Meron dalawang klase ng Game Sports. Happy Ending and Lucky 4.
Ang happy ending ay 2 digits lang.
Ang Lucky 4 naman ay 4 na numbers. So, parang lotto style siya, mga ka-amazing.
Isa, ang Lucky 4 is Lotto style. Game pero 4 digits lang. Last digit ending score of the winning team of each quarter in sequential order. Sa Lucky 4, merong 4 na Lucky Pick option which is system generated combination yung ibibigay sa player.
20 can win 1,400. 50 can win 3,500. 100 can win 7,000. 300 can win 21,000. 500 can win 35,000. 1,000 can win 70,000 pesos. Woo! Wow!
Dapat, when possible, kayo maglaro ng gaming sports. Okay.
Nice.
Tell yung mga bata, if they want to play there, compete, take his spot. That's the only way he's gonna relinquish it.
Oh, yung mga fans, hindi nyo pwedeng sabihin na
Ibigay lang.
ibigay nyo naman sa
Walang
mas
ganun.
bata. Walang ganun sa basketball.
You have to earn it.
Kailangan makipagbasagan ka ng mukha, kailangan agawin mo, kailangan mapatunayan mo sa lahat na sa'yo yung spot. Pero kung gusto mong ibigay lang, parang siguro kung ikaw may-ari ng team, tapos ibibigay mo sa anak mo yung isang spot dahil anak mo, parang
Ibang usapan na yun.
parang nangyayari siguro kagaya kay
Kay LeBron
Bronny.
James.
Bakit si Bronny ay gamit na gamit sa Lakers or bakit si Bronny nasa Lakers sa spot?
Hey, he has connections. If you have connections, use it.
Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Yeah.
Pwedeng given, not earned.
Yeah.
Pero dito sa Pilipinas, napaka-rare, 'di ba? Unless ano, may LeBron James tayo. Sino pinakamalapit sa LeBron James sa atin? Wala, no?
LeBron James.
Ng Pilipinas. James Yap. King James.
Yung pinaka si
Pwede.
Kirby.
Pwede sana. James Yap, naglalaro pa. Tapos yung anak niya, si Bimby, maglalaro. Tapos,
Dudot Jaworski.
ayo, nangyari na pala. Dudut Jaworski and Jaworski. Okay. So, yun. 'Di ba? But, speaking of Rapi, healthy pa po si Rapi. Kaya niya pa. There's no doubt. Mararamdaman mo naman yan eh.
You'll know.
You
when it's
know,
time.
pag ano, alam mo yan, di
Pero
ba?
as a Magnolia fans, why would you want to kick out someone who's been representing Magnolia for such a long time?
Member,
And just kick him out.
member of Grand Slam.
Grabe no, grabe yung mga mentality.
Without Rafi, baka hindi
Are
kayo
you
naka-Grand
really
Slam.
a Magnolia fan? Pag ganyan ang mga iniisip nyo.
Yeah.
Right?
Tama.
That's crazy, bro.
Right. Well,
Parang naano ka lang yun, parang ginamit ka lang. Alam mo yun?
sometimes that's the reality in this
It
world.
is, true. Pero that's what I'm saying. Parang, okay, we got the best out of you. Okay, get out of here now.
That is the reality in this world.
That is. That is.
You know that,
It is.
right?
Minsan ganun nga talaga.
Kahit sang industry,
Pero
hindi lang
ibig
sa basketball.
sabihin, there's a reason why Rafi lasted for 20 years. Kasi magalang work ethic niya.
Take care of the body.
He takes care of his body. He's coachable.
He eats.
Di ba? He's a good teammate.
Baka vegetarian pa sila Rapi, no?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is he's done all the right things to be able to stay in the league for that long. So you can't just say palitan na siya.
That's one thing, Jay, no?
Diba?
If you're a good teammate, no? I know. Ako, ano na ako kay Rapi. You've been teammate with Rapi sa Ginebra, right?
Yeah, Rafi's a good teammate.
I'm a
man.
teammate in him with Pure Foods. Rapi is a good teammate.
He's a good teammate.
There's no doubt about it. Kaya nga tayo, Bakit natin pinagtatanggol si Rafi? Because we know. And alam din natin yung capability niya as a basketball player and as a person. Inside and outside the court.
Kasi just be thankful he's still playing, man. Kasi when he retires, you guys gonna miss him, man. Diba?
Yeah.
Baka you're the same people that's gonna be saying, "Oh, retire his jersey." You know what I'm saying?
Most likely. Oy, thank you.
Shoutout mga ka-amazing. Nag-ayos lang po kami ng truck namin sa baba.
Ayos na.
Ayun yan, may battery na.
Okay, sige. Try
All right,
natin.
mga amazing. Holla.
So mga amazing, thank you. And stay amazing.